Hi friends, this is Gopi. Welcome to my YouTube channel EV Analyst, Electric Vehicle Analyst. In the channel, I will be posting the latest update of electric vehicle. If you like the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get continuous update about electric vehicle. Today we are going to talk about Hero Lectro C4. Lectro, the electric bicycle division of Hero Bicycle, is undoubtedly a market leader in Indian e-bicycle. Lectro bicycles offer various electric bicycle configuration according to customer requirement and price expectation. In this electro cycle, the C4 electric bicycle is for their female customer who prefer ladies bicycle at affordable price. So let's know more about Hero Lectro Woman electric bicycle. Let's talk about design and specification. The Lectro C4 comes with LED display and indicates the necessary parameter of bicycle while riding. The bicycle has an alloy frame with internal battery storage space. Lectro C4 is available in two colors, in which the purple and charcoal. It has four different modes which has pedal, cruise, pedelec and throttle, in which the pedelec assist mode can offer up to 30 km range. It has front disc brake and V brake at the back. Let's talk about technical specification. The Hero Lectro C4 has 36 watts lithium-ion battery pack. The Hero Lectro C4 is equipped with 250 watts hub motor in the rear wheel. Let's talk about speed and range. The top speed of the scooter is 25 km per hour. The range of Hero Lectro C4 is 25 km on single charge. Let's talk about charging. The battery charging time of Hero Lectro C4 is 4 hours. Let's talk about service and warranty. The battery life is up to 3 years according to the battery usage. However, Lectro giving a warranty of 2 years for the battery pack for C4. Let's talk about price. The cost of Lectro C4 electric bicycle is around 24,000 INR. What do you think of Hero Lectro C4 electric bicycle? Please drop a comment below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get continuous update about electric vehicle.